Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat kiba kongsan benta ke sengi kilong. Keranga uba ban siudor bandit hospital lemda wengno ika projek Lumpongdeng ban FIR. Peninam ki Samla bala syahikai ha ki sister solution Jylla ki mati ha auxilium. Tepat ke sorkar ya uba ban siudor ban penkutno ia kejing syathan. Ban Yaro batmen UCM Konrad halor ke Women Reservation Bill. Bat menta nginya pai shiki Khubor ki ba company. Hagasngi ke ba pra ke jingshong syathan u chairman ke GTF pa H ban Siodor Nonglang ki doktor kila shem ba ke jingkot jingkia ke met jong u kala nang hiar jram ram. Ki doktor baru magistrate kila wan syaka jaka syathan jong u hamadan malki daga batmu banyalamno ya u sya hospital. Henry na kaliang uba ban siudor ulah pen bet triang bat kerenga banet sya sumar sya hospital tat hadu baka sorkar kan wengno mardor ya ka projek na Lumpongdeng. Ulah dawaru ban weng ya ka FIR bala ujor persya ya ki dekot ke Green Tech Foundation.
Boleh pen rumah tangga tu. Mo, tak yo. Dan buat di parlok jengkir ke muka banyak iya pi kumne deh.
Kene decision jo.
Em kam deh decision deh kumne pa deh. Syah long syah pi. Buat orang decision jong ju syah am taban orang decision jong ah. Wah, kami kepala kaya pi. Kan pi kumne. Pi. Banong lang. Buat orang kumta. Ya, ya leh. Tang banyu sing ngarap. Tang banyu semua. Ada terus dia tekum dia temung tu bah. I'm here to support him. Yes.
Medical condition.
Okay. Ini hidup yang hajan. Apa ke jingin ini bang kadang ni. Orang nak ke pengkam. Kami oleh lihat. Mai tenat ke jing ke jong i. Mau boleh mai bori menyekun deh. Ni wan ben no
Artli gidiman call off ya project Lumpongdeng withdraw ka FIR jungi ngan lay dak besok nang NEHU hospital ngan lay tru siya la pimla ban lay umta I request the district administration Warra Khubor yang hospital ngadang suto ye amdai mga keren suto syo naduk kasingi ka banengkong ngam syam la penbor yang noro ngasim hi karai ngadang jet ba kipaj ba akin long tribe yang ya kapung umyam bat bangan yap mga ban ye ka ba kini kimender kin yo ba long try iya
doktor.
Biang kan.
His immune system is very low. Go around.
Ki Samla bat long kemi ki bala syahikai haki vocational training center bala penyat de ki sister solution FMA kila penlong ya ka yau de tiar peninam ba arsngi haka khandre bat khandnyau tarek Iaiong ha auxilium school ya ki tiar kitar ki ba kila shna su bat thanya la ki jong ki kti kidan rugi jingbang ba bon jat ba ki ne ki trainee kila shed bat penkre anak benta bande ha ka ne ka yau peninam Uba Winston Tony Lingdo CEM ka KHEDC ulalong ukongsan ban play bat kap ribon ya kani kayo peninam skill expo arhajar arpun rio. Haka jingkran lengkot uba Winston ulaai ka jingero bat jing penslur yaki sister ki balahika yaki Samla ban geng halaki jong ki kjan. Uba Jylla State Manager District Commerce and Industry Center DCIC ubaladon langkum usyempang bala syakot sengobah kerpang ulaai ka jingkran ka bayadei bat kini ki training hikai kam da ka baong. Kasorkar kadon shibun kilat kidenti jingerap na kabenta kinong hikai bat ki trainee ban kershan eki. Kirang ba shnong na kishnong juga nong thamai bakentup ya uba don bor lang kong shay kila pensngan lang hagan kesngi. Ka Reverend Sister Garnet Sutanga Social Development Coordinator kala ai ka jingkran pediang sengobha. Kani kayo peninam ka play bat khot sengobha na kabenta ki patba hakini ki arsngi nadu kapor Khuborjylla menstep hadu saw shiteng janmin.
Layo biam. Tuh. Layo le biam kan nak jawab. Restart.
Should I bite from my mouth?
Hapedeng ke jingeki ke basyat tangan jong chairman juga Green Tech Foundation uba H ban siudor nonglang ke balayat mentala prasngi bad uladon hapedeng ke met ke batulat bha kumta nakaliang ke tenat tourism hakajan mid country tarik Iaiong lengba u joint secretary kalapha da ke jingtho sha u chairman ke GTF ban wengno ya ke jingshong sha tangan Hendrai nakaliang kinong yalam ka foundation haba puli ya ka shithi bala wan na ka sorkar kamsham lapan hun satiayaki. Namar ka jubab bala pha ka tenat tourism kadai ka ju ka bala jubab bala dep an ai do menteri rangba hakisngi bala dep. Bat ka jubab ka bakiyo henen kasngi. Kumta nakaliang chairman ularai ban yai beteng ya ka jingshong shathan namar ka sorkar kamsham ai ya ka jubab ka ba ka GTF kaladawa.
Kejingkan benar, nakaliang yang ke Green Tech, nakaliang jing chairman, halor, ke city, ke bengyo, nepok sarkar. Chairman.
Iku maafi layu dan nakaliang jong ka state government wa ka tourism department, ala hot referent yangi, rekam seiso. Mentak singi gila hak yang dah kacing tok The Nakarpadio Secretary General Baun Pule Yaganegasti Apdang Jong Piu Padba. Namar Kanegamri Shu Kamat Chunga Grantek Kamat Jong Piu Padba Hiton Hok Bon Yosno Ya Kae Kawa Kagoman Kajuba.
Khubor Shibune Chairman What Apdeng Kajing Tulot Jongamet Iyo on Padiang Yaganegasti but ingin scam pada kajing aibor kajang ublehi bidang ma mansong hadu banika kentaru te kumba buthai chairman Chama Green Tech Foundation dan pulih yang negasi bagi opdiang ayo opdiang yang negasi na joint secretary to the government of Meghalaya Tourism Department Shai chairman Chama Green Tech Foundation kapang kalong kumni matter related with tourism project at Lumpongdeng Island. Sir, with reference to your organization's petition dated 27 March 2026 submitted to the government, this is to clarify that no construction will be allowed at Lumpongdeng Island within Umyam Lake as part of the development of hotel being undertaken by the department in PPP mode. It is requested that the ongoing hunger strike may be withdrawn. This has the approval of the competent authority. Ni Joint Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya Tourism Department. Mentakasi ke Khandru Trek U Iaiong Arajar Arpun Rio. Te Habiyade Bagani and Punpai Ben Yaoyo my peace chairman. Bin Pun Snow Pai Yagarai Kajongi Nakaliang Green Tech Foundation.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad K. Sangma ula ai jingero bat penpau ke jingkemen ya ke Sarkar India ke bala wanra ya ke Women Reservation Bill ha Parliament menta ke sengi Country tarik Iaiong ban plilat kambun ya ki kentai ban shimti ya ke lengkor nong mi khmat sha ki yeng dorbar thawan Parliament bat ha ki yeng dorbar thawan ki Jylla. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor Menteri Rangba ula ong kani ke isu ke de ke bala angnut la slam bat kumta uong bakis ngongu ya Menteri Rangba adu kari halor kani karai ban penlong an yaka.
This women's reservation bill that has been introduced in the Parliament in the special session today is a very, very welcome step on part of the government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister. This has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which as we have seen whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision. And at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country.
Kasorkar Jylla kalapan kre ban penyaso da kasurok 4 lane ban poi sha New Shillong shadu ka sekretariat Pathamai ka badang trei shat menta. Gia kani le thu da menteri rangba Konrad K Sangma da ka baong ka jing pen kre na ka benta ka ni ka kam menta kadang ya shat chakman.
But yeah, one of the major ones is the 4 lane, which will take place from the CRPF camp in Polo, just after the bridge, and go through some of the forest areas and even the Milim Forest Reserve areas, and connect to Belfont, and then from Belfont all the way to Mopat, and then all the way to Secretariat. So we do expect that. We have had multiple levels of discussion at multiple agency level as well as individual levels, whether it's with the the individuals who own land there, or whether it's with the Hima Milim, or whether it is even with the police, the school there that is there, the in Golf Links as a school run by the police department. So all different agencies and individuals and stakeholders, multiple rounds of discussion have taken place. We are have almost closed the discussions with almost everyone. There are 1 or 2 that are still left, but not major challenges. We have more or less come to some kind of an understanding. We just have to finalize the final details of it. So that will be the major connection, and as I said, that will be a 4 lane. It won't be 2 lane, it will be a 4 lane. So we do expect that that would really help in the overall connectivity to the new secretariat and to the new Shillong area.
Bada gitu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kapakut tarhadu bangin daya siyang biang kublay sibon.